Hi friends, a warm welcome. Oh my god, I would rather change it to a cool welcome as we're literally getting roasted up and barbecued in this torrid summer season. So friends, a cool welcome to my channel Cook with Khuram, and this is Sana. How about a chilled dessert if your heart craves for something delicious and at the same time simple to make with very few and easily available ingredients at home? Yes, today we are going to make a super duper yummylicious and very popular Indian dessert Basundi. And friends, if you're visiting my channel for the first time and if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now come, join with me at my kitchen. For making basundi, heat 1 liter of full fat milk in a wide and deep vessel. And when the milk gets boiled and rises up, reduce the flame and keep on stirring using a wooden spatula. Scrape off the milk stuck at the sides of the vessel to avoid burning off the milk. Take a wooden skewer and gently remove the cream and stick them at the rim of the kadai. If you don't have a skewer, you can use a fork or a spoon also. We do this to get thick cream or malai, but let them not stay there for a long time as they may turn too dry and crispy, which will make the scraping process too tedious. Leave the setup for just 2 minutes so that the cream loses its moisture and gets thicker. Scrape off the cream and put them back into the milk and cook over a slow flame for a few more minutes. Here you can see the texture. We are actually changing the texture of the cream. It's going to be thicker than the milk so that it doesn't get dissolved in the hot milk. Now the milk has been reduced to 400 ml and has reached the perfect consistency for basundi. Now you can add 1/4 cup of sugar to it and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, followed by few saffron strands. It had taken about 45 to 50 minutes to get this consistency. Now to this add thinly sliced almonds and pistachios and mix well. Scrape off the cream and keep aside. You can use them at the time of serving. Now our basundi is ready. Now you can see the amazing color and the texture of the cream. Chill the basundi and the cream in the refrigerator for about 5 to 6 hours before serving. Now after 6 hours, it is time to serve this delicacy. Take a dessert cup and pour the chilled basundi into it. Top it with the reserved thick cream or the malai. And again pour the basundi over the malai and garnish with sliced almonds, pistachios and few strands of saffron. And our yummylicious basundi is ready to be served. Friends, trust me, this basundi was really out of the world and every spoon of it was absolutely heavenly. Please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback in the comments box. Meet you all in my next video. Till then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comments box, which will encourage me to give you the best videos in the future. And if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Khuram.